For the handle rod and the two handleballs, the handle rod will go into the hole that is in the vice screw. When you bring this handle rod in, you may notice a work plane that is visible. You will need to go to the browser beside the handle rod and select the triangle. This will expand the handle rod part, and you will need to select the hide option beside construction. This should hide the work plane associated with the handle rod. We will need to rotate the handle rod. So if you select it over in the browser and do a right mouse button click and select move or copy, we will grab this point on the handle rod and rotate it 90 degrees. So if you look in the dialog box for the Y angle, we will change that to a negative 90 degrees. In order to set up a relationship between the handle rod and the hole that is in the vice screw, we will use a joint. So we will go to Assemble and Joint. The motion, we will set that at cylindrical. The position, we will, for the component 1, we will select the handle rod. And for component 2, we will select the hole in the vice screw. To test the movement, we will go to the Motion tab in the Joint dialog box. And for the rotation, we'll just make sure that it's rotating. And for the linear motion, make sure that it is able to slide in that hole in the vice screw. And we'll click on OK.